What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another property alert here on Saigon Cribs. Now we have an awesome apartment right now available for booking. Now you can arrange for any date here in the month of June, and you can book this for a short term. So for some of my clients out there that's looking for an apartment, maybe between 3 or 4 months, maybe you're moving here, you want to have a, like kind of like a trial, of Ho Chi Minh City before you decide if you want to live here for a long-term basis. This is an awesome apartment for you to lock in, and you can just, give Ho Chi Minh City a try, and before you make your long-term commitment, right? Now, we do have a video that was submitted by the current resident that's living there, and we do have an apartment tour. He's currently working from home. He's a digital nomad. So he's currently using this apartment as his home office, if you will. And he sent us a video. He has 2 work desks that are set up in there, him and his business partner. And so this is the style that very basic. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. The rental is $875 a month. So again, you can lock this in for a short-term basis, fully furnished, fully equipped. We do provide the full deep cleaning, and you also get brand new bed set when you move in with Saigon Cribs. That's one of the benefits of using Saigon Cribs for rental services. And yeah, so really basic style. This isn't a luxury apartment, but the amenities are really nice. Really nice luxury gym, modern gym, and swimming pool here at this complex in Thao Dien District 2. So it's a really nice location. You can get to downtown within 15 minutes here. Also, you can walk to the metro. Another great benefit for my professionals out there, you can literally walk to the metro station and get you downtown in like 10 minutes or something like that. 10 minutes or less. So yeah, really nice location, really nice modern closet here. Again, 2 full baths with the enclosed shower here. So really nice style. I do have some pictures as well that I'll show you. And this is the view of the outside. There is the mall that is right outside, food court, movie theater. Everything you need is within walking distance of this complex. It's a really, really nice apartment, and it's available right now. So you can go ahead and you can lock this in, and really reserve this for a really nice pack. It's a really nice pack for a short-term stay. And beautiful place. A little bit of a river view there as well. Pretty cool. And let me show you some of the pictures that we have here. The bathroom there, I'll just enlarge that there. Put that over my face, sorry. And it's a secondary bedroom. Now, there is an option. If you wanted to, you could request to remove this bed and just set your office in here. So that's totally up to you, as far as the arrangement. And one thing just to keep in mind really with all the apartments in Ho Chi Minh City is that, you can really switch it up. This is more of a blank canvas, so you can kind of decorate and do your own thing here. So just keep that in mind when you're renting apartments here. This is a picture of the secondary bathroom. This other bathroom there. Here, let me move that around a bit there. So that's the other side of the bath. This is the primary bed there. Again, you get the free bed linens that we're providing you. There is a little bit of a desk, kind of a makeup table there that's within the built-ins there of that closet. Wood flooring there within the bedrooms as well to give that nice, warm, cozy feeling. And it's another photo of the living room area. Again, has the work desk set up, but again, you can keep these, you can remove these. It's totally up to you how you want to arrange the apartment for your own style. So again, these are just straight up raw, property alerts, exclusively only through Saigon Cribs. Nobody else has these listings or the option to book short term. All right. So these are our exclusive opportunities that are available here with Saigon Cribs. There's another angle of the living room and the kitchen area. There is a laundry area as well that has a washer machine. A lot of people use a laundry that's available on the ground floor of the building. The wash and dry facility is very cheap. It's about $1 per kilo, something like that. So really, really affordable stuff there. This is available right now, again, exclusively through Saigon Cribs. So If you would like to book this apartment, contact us now so we can lock this in for you. Again, thanks for watching us, Saigon Cribs. This is Brian. Please like and subscribe. Peace.